In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to home screen on Android. So if you're using an Android phone and you want to add a widget to the home screen like this, you can say we have an empty widget on this home screen, but you can add your preferred widget to this Samsung or any Android home screen following a similar approach. So if you're done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is press and hold your phone screen just like this until you see this box. Once the box comes up, click on widgets. Now you should see recommended widget first. You can hide this and then come down here and select the widget you want to add to your Samsung phone home screen. So let's say you want to add the weather widget. So locate the weather widget and then click on whichever one you want to add. Let's say I want to add this and click on add. You should see the widget added to your phone home screen. Again, repeat the process. Click on widget and locate another widget you want to add again. So in this case, let's say I want to add the clock widget. So locate a befitting clock widget that you want to add to your Samsung phone home screen. So let's say I want to add this, then click on add widget. Then again, you can adjust this widget size. Again, press and hold the home screen, then click on add widget. Then select the widget you want to add. Here, let's say I want to add another widget like the calendar. Go ahead and click on calendar and select your calendar. Let's add this, then click on add. So once you click on the add button, there you go. Then you should see the calendar widget added to your phone screen. So this is how you can easily add widgets to Android home screen. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.